Today we are talking flowers. Now, I recently went to Hobby Lobby and they had all of their flowering bushes and greenery bushes half off, but I just want to advocate for Walmart because the Walmart bushes and the flowers are really so cute, and they are $5, and they usually have these bouquets of, you know, it has different foliage and it has different textures, different types of flowers, and they're $5. Well, at Hobby Lobby, which we like to shop at, they're always marked up. This particular bush is $9.99 and they were 50% off, so I got the same bush, this bush for $5. But the quality and the amount of flowers that is in the Walmart bush is so much more. So you get so much more bang for your buck. And so let me show you another one. This has purple and white and yellow and just different textures of foliage and different leaves and everything, and which the Hobby Lobby ones do as well, but they're not as defined as the Walmart ones. So I just want to share that little tip with you. There is always you know, different, to each its own of course, but just different options out there. Now this is this one is from Walmart and they are $5 as well, and it has these cute little flowers in it, and it has these lilies, just adorable, and just really kind of puts these bushes to shame. Now I'm a huge supporter of Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love them. It's one of my favorite places to shop. And so of course I only buy the flowers when they're on when they're half off, because they're very expensive. But what I like about Hobby Lobby is they have a different variety of bushes. Even when they're half off, I can always find different flowers. Like this one was $7.99. I mean, to me, that is extremely expensive for flowers, but at half off, I can buy 2 for 1 kind of thing. That's kind of how I look at it. And so Hobby Lobby gives a different variety and just different textures of different things that we want to put in our arrangements and different wreaths. So like this one right here is $12.99 and I got it half off. So if Hobby Lobby always has a 40% off coupon, so even if they are not on sale, you can always use your 40% off coupon for that. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is the greenery. This is Walmart's greenery. I mean, it is just full of just different leaves and just different textures. And it is $5. I think, oh yeah, here it is. $5. But Hobby Lobby has the different greenery. Now this one was $9.99, so I got it half off, but their greenery is extremely expensive. Like this one is $13.99. So they usually have their sales every other week. What's on sale this week will not be on sale next week. It'll like skip a week. So, but what I like about Hobby Lobby is you can find so many different varieties of looks of greenery and flowers. Just like this one that has some long tails on it. So just kind of know your prices, know your shopping, but if you're looking for actual flowers, I really recommend the floral department at Walmart because in each season they always have some really cute bouquets and different little flowering bushes that will make your arrangement look really cute. I hope these tips were helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, because I love to share crafty ideas and inspire you and share tips with a bit of country charm. And we will talk to you soon, and God bless.